Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best TENS electrodes are probably one of the most crucial components for maximizing the effectiveness of your TENS unit, acting as the direct interface between the device and your skin to deliver targeted pain relief. Choosing the right ones can significantly impact your comfort, the longevity of your treatment sessions, and the overall success in managing chronic pain, muscle soreness, or post-operative recovery, making them a vital consideration for anyone relying on TENS therapy for therapeutic benefits. Number 5. AUVON TENS Unit Electrode Pads 2x410 PCS. Experience incredible value with our jumbo pack of 10 electrode pads. These flexible and soft pads are designed to maximize your TENS or EMS machine's effectiveness. Your safety is ensured with CE and ROHS certifications. Get fast relief without harmful additives or the need for prescription medication. These pads feature a standard 2mm connector, making them compatible with most TENS and EMS units. Easily find matching muscle stimulators and accessories. Our medical-grade, latex-free pads use upgraded adhesive for excellent self-adhesion and easy cleanup, lasting up to 45 uses. They are skin-friendly for a safe and comfortable experience. You'll receive a pack of 10 2x4 TENS unit replacement pads. We also include a 12-month warranty and dedicated technical support for your peace of mind. What we like? Looking for a safe and comfortable option? These pads are latex-free and skin-friendly, making them suitable for most users. If you prioritize safety certifications and a generous quantity for long-term use, this is a great choice. They are ideal for individuals with sensitive skin or those who want peace of mind with their purchase. What people say. The pads are very sticky and stay on well. These electrode pads are a great replacement for my old ones. They work great and are a good value for the money. Number 4. Discount TENS Brand Super Value TENS Unit Electrode Pads. Get incredible value with this pack of 10 pairs, or 20 individual snap electrodes for your TENS unit. They are perfectly sized for effective pain relief. These professional self-adhesive pads are built to last. They remain flexible and maintain excellent conductivity, even after repeated use. Applying them is a breeze thanks to the secure snap connectors. Plus, they remove cleanly without leaving any sticky residue behind. As a U.S. veteran-owned company, we pride ourselves on reliability. These replacement pads are designed to ensure your therapy sessions are always comfortable and consistent. These pads are designed to fit most TENS and muscle stim devices with standard 3.5mm snap connectors. Please note they are not compatible with AUVON TENS units. What we like? Need a cost-effective solution for regular use? This 20-pack offers excellent value and durable, flexible pads designed for repeated use. If you're looking for a consistent and comfortable therapy experience without breaking the bank, these are a fantastic option. They are perfect for individuals who use their TENS unit frequently and want a reliable supply. What people say. The electrode pads are self-adhesive and reusable. These electrode pads are designed for pain relief and muscle stimulation. The pads are compatible with most TENS units. Number 3. TENS 7000 Official Replacement Electrode Pads. Introducing the official replacement pads for your TENS 7000 unit. This pack includes 32 premium quality electrode pads, designed for optimal performance and comfort. You'll receive 16 pairs of pads in 2 convenient sizes, 2x4 inches and 2x2 inches. These medical-grade pads feature a standard pigtail interface for easy connection. Experience longer-lasting relief with our self-adhering electrodes. They stick easily to your skin and distribute TENS current evenly for a comfortable and effective treatment. These electrode pads are now available over the counter. They are pre-gelled, self-adhesive, thin, and flexible, ensuring comfort during use with your TENS machine. Our replacement pads are compatible with a wide range of TENS devices, including the TENS 7000, TENS 7000 to go, TENS 3000, and many others. They also function as EMS pads. Choose the trusted quality of the TENS 7000 brand, a leader in TENS machines since 2008. You can be confident you're getting original OEM replacement electrode pads. What we like? Seeking variety and trusted quality? This 32-pack includes both 2x2 and 2x4 pads, offering flexibility for different treatment areas. If you're a user of TENS 7000 or need compatible pads for various TENS machines, this is your go-to. It's ideal for those who appreciate having multiple size options and the assurance of an official brand. What people say. The pads are very sticky and stay in place during use. These electrode pads are a great replacement for my old ones, they work just as well. The variety of sizes included in the pack is very convenient for targeting different muscle groups. Number 2. NEOCARBON TENS Unit Muscle Stimulator Pro. Experience effective, drug-free pain relief for various body parts. It targets specific muscle soreness and trouble areas, promoting muscle recovery. This comprehensive kit includes the electronic device with multiple modes and intensity levels. It also comes with reusable electrode pads, cables, and a convenient travel case. Enjoy portable muscle relaxation through electrical pulses, allowing you to use it anywhere. Say goodbye to expensive visits and medication with this personal pain relief device. This unit comes with everything you need for a convenient and effective pain relief experience. It includes charging cables, electrode pads, and protective travel accessories. A quick 2-hour charge provides up to 50 hours of continuous use. The easy-to-read LCD screen with enlarged icons makes operation simple and efficient. Utilizing PMS pulse technology, it delivers effective shock therapy for muscle stimulation. This helps in recovery and provides a powerful massage experience. What we like. Want a complete pain relief solution on the go? This all-in-one kit includes the TENS unit, multiple modes, and accessories like electrode pads and a travel case. If you need a portable, convenient device for effective pain relief anywhere, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for individuals who travel frequently or need a discreet, all-inclusive pain management system. What people say. The pads are very sticky and stay in place during use. These electrodes are a great replacement for my old ones, they work just as well. The variety of sizes included in the pack is very convenient for different treatment areas. Number 1. Comfytemp TENS Unit Muscle Stimulator. Introducing the Comfytemp TENS unit, your ultimate solution for effective pain relief. This device is designed to target and alleviate discomfort in your muscles. Experience personalized comfort with 20 distinct modes and a DIY option to tailor your treatment. It offers dual-channel EMS for comprehensive muscle stimulation. Soothe aches in your neck, back, and shoulders with this electronic pulse massager. It delivers targeted relief right where you need it most. Enjoy the convenience of FSA and HSA eligibility, making it easier to invest in your well-being. This unit is designed for your peace of mind. This package comes complete with 10 electrode pads, ensuring you have everything you need for consistent and effective therapy. It's ready to use right out of the box. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This TENS unit is an ideal present for mom and dad, helping them find comfort and relief. Give the gift of relaxation. What we like. Looking for customizable and versatile pain relief? This unit offers 20 modes, including DIY options, and dual-channel control for targeted therapy. If you're seeking an HSA/FSA eligible device that allows for personalized treatment plans for various body parts like your back, neck, or shoulders, this is a great fit. It's ideal for those who want to fine-tune their therapy and manage pain effectively. What people say. The electrode pads are self-adhesive and reusable. These electrode pads are designed to be compatible with most TENS units. The pads are made with a high-quality gel that ensures good conductivity and adhesion. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.